Hotshot agrees with Howard Newton.
When
Seriously, don't
it's
drive with your hazard lights on during rainy weather.
Please don't drive with your hazard lights on when it's raining. Please don't drive with your hazard lights on when it's raining. Please don't drive with your hazard lights on.
You're such a hazard, what are you thinking? And it's more dangerous with all your blinking. No one can tell when you're indicating. And when you break it, it's infuriating. You're such a hazard, what are you thinking? And it's more dangerous with all your blinking. No one can tell when you're indicating. And when you break it, it's infuriating.
Oh, I know.